This is how to start your Stihl chainsaw. After you've added your gas and your chain oil right there, you have 4 positions. Choke, this is full choke, half choke, run, and off. If this is a cold start, meaning you haven't run this in days, weeks, months, years, you're gonna put it in the full choke position. Notice when you push down, it don't go, it don't stay down. It's not staying in the full choke position. What do? Here's what you do. You have to squeeze these 2 little pieces right here. Squeeze, push, and there you go. Now what we're gonna do is pull this until it burps. And what that means, burping means you're gonna hear it try to start. Once it tries to start, we're gonna flip it to the half choke position. Now listen. Did you hear it burp? It just tried to start. Now we need to flip it to the half choke position. So just flip that lever up right there. Now, it will start from this position, and once it starts, it'll go up to the run position. Notice it's in the run position. And that's how to turn it off. So to summarize one more time, to cold start it, make sure you put it on full choke down there. Once it burps, once it tries to start, flip it to half choke right there. And then it will automatically, by itself, flip up into the run position. And that's what you're gonna be cutting your wood on, the run position. And then to turn it off, just flip it up to the off position. And that is how to start your Stihl chainsaw.